Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Kandpal. Welcome to you in my YouTube channel Infinity. So today we are going to do exercise 2.2. Question number 1 is find the zeros of the following polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So I'm sure in class 9th you learned how to solve any quadratic equation with the help of a splitting middle term method. Okay, and also in our previous class we discussed how to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Okay, so here you are given an equation, okay, and you have to find the zeros. So you will use the splitting middle term method. Okay, so here we have x square minus 2x minus 8. It means it is sum of roots, sum of zeros, and it is product of zeros. Okay, so here we have 8. It means we need two terms, so that on subtracting or adding we'll get minus 2, and on product and the end of their product we get minus 8. Okay, so here I'm taking 4x plus 2x. Which two terms I'm taking here? 4 and 2, minus 4 and plus 2. Why? Because on subtracting we will get minus 2 here, and when I'll multiply both of these, minus 4 and 2, I'll get here minus 8. Okay, so minus 4x plus 2x in place of this minus 2x, and this minus 8 as it is. Now we will take common. Okay, from these two we will take x as a common, so we have now x minus 4 in bracket, and here from these two I'll take 2 as common, so we have x minus 4. Why 4 not 8? Because we have already taken here 2 as common. Okay, so that's why. So 2 4s are 8. Okay, now x minus 4 is common in one bracket, and the left one x plus 2 in other bracket. So here we have x minus 4 and x plus 2, so it equals to 0, and x plus 2 also equals to 0. So from here we have a value of x is equals to 4, and from here we have minus 2 value of x. Okay, so here we have two roots, 4 and minus 2, for this equation with the help of splitting middle term method. So first question was here, find the zeros of the following polynomial. So this is your zeros, two zeros, and now we have to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Okay, so we know that sum of zeros means 4 plus minus 2 is your 2 only. Okay, and also we know that a sum of zeros means alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. Okay, so it will be minus as it is. B is your minus 2 from here, okay, from the equation, and a is your 1, so it is again equals to 2. So from here it is verified that both are equal. Okay, चाहे हम इक्वेशन की हेल्प से ले, चाहे हम सम करें यहाँ रूट से, सो इट इज़ वेरीफाइड. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी हैव प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ज़ीरोज़. ओके, तो अगर हम रूट्स की बात करें, सो इट विल बी 4 मल्टीप्लाई माइनस 2, दैट इज़ योर माइनस 8. लेकिन अगर हम यहाँ से बात करें तो इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू c अपॉन a. सो c इज़ योर माइनस 8 एंड a इज़ योर 1. सो अगेन इट इज़ बोथ आर equal. So it is from these two it is verified the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. So this is your first part. Second, we have 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So again we will use a splitting middle term method. Why? Because it is a quadratic equation. Okay, now in multiplication we need 4 multiply 1 4, and in addition or subtraction we need minus 4. So 4s square, if I'll take here minus 2s and minus 2s, because when I'll add both of these I'll get minus 4 here, and if I'll multiply both of these minus 2 I'll get 4 ones are 4, positive 4. Okay, and this one as it is. Okay, now it's time to take common, so I'm taking here 2s as a common. So here 2s minus 1 left, and if I'll take here minus 1 as common, so it will be 2s, and this sign will be negative because यहाँ पे negative common ले लिया, and 1 as it is. Now in one bracket we have common factors. Okay, 2s minus 1, and in other bracket the rest portion, यानी 2s minus 1. Okay, now we have two factors. Okay, two zeros, so s will be, if we'll take this one equals to 0, then your value of s will be 1 upon 2, and if we'll put this equals to 0, then s equals to again 1 upon 2. So it has same roots, okay, same zeros, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Okay, so next is sum of zeros. We have to verify it also. So sum of zeros equals to minus 1 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So after taking LCM it will be equals to 1. Okay, I think this is 1 plus 1 2, yes, so it is equals to 1. and अगर हम alpha plus beta ले sum of zeros, then it is equals to from the equation it is equals to minus b upon a. So minus, as it is, b is your minus 4 from the equation and a is your 4. Okay, then it will be equals to minus minus plus, so it is 4 upon 4, which is equals to 1 again. Okay, so from here both are equal, so it is verified. Now next is product of zeros. Product of zeros, which means 1 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 2, that is your 1 upon 4. If we talk about roots, alpha, product of alpha and beta, then from equation it is equals to c upon a. Okay, so c is your 1 and a is your 4. Okay, so it will be, both are same. Okay, so from here it is verified that, okay, verified that the relationship between zeros and the coefficient of this equation. Now third equation we have 6 square minus 3 minus 7x, but it is not in the proper form. So first we will place the term in proper place. Okay, so 6x square first, then minus 7x, then minus 3. ठीक है ना, कुछ इस तरीके से होता है, ए एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस बी एक्स प्लस सी. सो हमारे पास ये इक्वेशन है. नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्प्लिटिंग मिडल टर्म मेथड वी विल सॉल्व दिस. नाउ 6 3 ज़ा 18, मल्टीप्लाई में हमें 18 चाहिए एंड इन एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन वी नीड minus 7. सो 6 3 ज़ा 18. सो इफ आई विल टेक minus 9x plus 2. Okay, 2x, because on subtracting we'll get minus 7 and on multiply we'll get 18, minus 18. Okay, and this minus 3 as it is. So next we will take common from these two. Okay, so from here we can take 3 as common, 3x. Okay, so here we have 2x, 3 2s are 6 and x also, minus 3 3s are 9, and here we have plus 1 as common and in bracket 2x minus 3. Now in one bracket we will take 2x minus 3 because they are common factor. Next in other bracket we will take 3x plus 1. So the value of x will be 3 upon 2 and second one will be minus 1 upon 3 from here. Okay, it will be minus 1. So these are the two zeros for this equation. Now next we have to verify the relationship. Okay, so first we have sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. Okay, we will take LCM of these two. So it will be 6. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. So it will be 9. Why? Because 2 3 times 6. So 3 3s are 9 plus minus minus. So I am taking a minus sign. Now 3 2s are 6. So 2 1s are 2. So 9 minus 2 is your 7 upon 6. Okay. Also alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. Okay, so minus, as it is, b from the equation is this from here. Okay, it is minus 7. So minus 7 and a is your 6. Okay, so it will be minus minus plus, so that is, it is your 7 upon 6. Both are same. Okay, so it is verified. Next we have product of zeros. Product of zeros, 3 upon 2. Okay, 3 upon 2 multiply minus 1 upon 3. So it will be you can write like this, 3 1s are 3 and this is 3 2s are 6. Okay, or okay. Next, alpha beta product of these two from the equation. From the equation it will be c upon a. C is your here minus 3. Okay, minus 3 and a is your 6. Okay, here. So again both of these are equal. These two are equal. Okay, so it is verified for the third part also. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for watching.